Hello guys, today we're gonna show you how to fix a common internet issue that's been plaguing Windows 10 for the last few years. How to fix your Windows 10 when the Wi-Fi says connected but no internet access pops up. Let's get started. Use Windows Network Troubleshooter. The Windows Network Troubleshooter may be able to rectify the problem automatically. First, open Windows Settings, press Windows key plus I. Click on the Network and Internet option. Check that you are in the status window. Click on the Network Troubleshooter option. Now run the Network Troubleshooter to see if it solves the problem. Luckily for me, there isn't a problem, but at this point Windows will fix it or tell you that it couldn't fix it. Flush DNS, Domain Name System. This will prevent you from connecting to a particular internet even if you can connect to the Wi-Fi successfully. The solution is to flush your DNS connection. To open the CMD, press Windows key plus S, then type in CMD. You'll see this black window open up. If asked, select Run as an administrator. Now we're gonna type in the following commands and hit Enter after each one. Once this is done, we're gonna go and see if we have now internet connection again. Another alternative is to disable First Startup in Windows 10. To disable First Startup, we're gonna follow these steps. We're gonna press Windows key plus X to open Windows Quick Access menu. A list of items will appear. We're going to select Power Options, third item on the list. Now select Additional Power Settings, located on the right side or bottom. Next, on the left panel, click on Choose what the power buttons do. We'll click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. After that, you have to uncheck the box next to Turn off the Fast Startup. Save changes. I'm not doing it because I don't have this issue. And finally, you have to reboot your PC. If you are still having problems, you can update your network adapter driver. First, press Windows key plus X to open Windows Quick Access menu. On the list of items, select Device Manager, sixth item on the list. Now expand Networks Adapters. Locate the wireless network adapter in the expanded list. Right-click on the adapter, then select Update Driver Software. In the new window, select Search automatically for drivers. Next, you have to allow Windows to search for a newer driver and install it. Once the process is complete, restart your PC, then reconnect to the Wi-Fi and see if you are still experiencing the problem. Keep in mind, if Windows fails to update the driver to the newest version automatically, you may need to install the right one manually from your PC's manufacturer or motherboard manufacturer. Another option is to disable and then enable the adapter. This issue happens to me almost all the time, and the solution always works. Turn off IPv6 support in your computer or router. Right-click on Windows Start, select Network Connections. Sometimes you have to select Change Adapter options, not my case. Double-click on the Wi-Fi adapter to open your network adapter. Select Properties. Uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6 to turn it off. Click OK and reboot your computer. Ignore that I'm not doing it in this example. Check your network validity and DNS server address. The first thing you have to do is right-click on Windows Start, select Network Connections. Then select Change Adapter Options, or like me, just double-click on the Wi-Fi adapter. Select Properties. Locate and double-click the entry-level Internet Protocol version 4. In the new window, check and make sure that both the IP address and DNS server addresses are set to be obtained automatically. If so, click OK and try your internet connection again. If not, set them to obtain automatically, then click OK and restart your computer. Finally, try your internet connection again. If obtaining the IP address and DNS server automatically doesn't work, you can set them to be obtained manually. Click Use the following DNS server address, then enter the preferred DNS server 8888. For alternate DNS server, enter 8844. Click OK, then test your internet again to see if this resolves the issue. The last option, turn off 5 GHz, change wireless network standard. You can make your computer connect to the internet over 2.4 GHz to see if the 5 GHz is the problem. Once again, go to Network Connections, double-click on the Wi-Fi adapter to open your network adapter, click on Properties, then Configure. Go to the Advanced tab, select 802.11n AC wireless mode and turn it to disabled. This will enable your computer to connect over the 2.4 channel. If this solution works, you can try to set the 802.11 wireless mode to 802.11n. This will allow you to still use the faster 5 bandwidth, but only with a slower protocol. That's it. Leave us a comment indicating which solution works for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now you know how to fix this issue. Thanks for watching.